To live in Norfolk is to know that the flood is coming.
Wading Between Two Titans is a new podcast about place, race, and power in the time of rising tides.
Working class people are at the mercy of the tides and the landlords. Virginia has the highest rate of sea level rise on the East Coast. We're running out of time and everybody's competing for the money and there's not going to be enough money.
This limited series investigates sea level rise, climate gentrification, and historic processes of racism.
We're drowning. We drowning?
We're slowly drowning day by day with sea level rise.
People are living in filth and wall pillars, rust in the bathtub, water that ain't running right.
As sea level rises and shoreline shrink, who gets to stay home and who has to leave?
All of Norfolk floods. Where are you going to go that's not flooding right now? Why are we not taking the wealthiest folk and moving them somewhere else? Why are we not taking middle-class white folk and moving them somewhere else?
Who has a right to the city?
Hear the story of Norfolk, Virginia, home to the world's largest naval base in Virginia's most populous region, with a hidden and powerful African-American history.
There was an all-out assault on African Americans in the 20th century.
The legacy of housing discrimination is something that is not being talked about, but has to be talked about in the context of climate change.
Featuring interviews with local scholars like historian Dr. Cassandra Newby-Alexander, geographer Johnny Finn, urban theorist Alexander Fella, public theologian Antipas Harris, as well as local activists like Monet Johnson, residents, and more.
This is where the perseverance comes in. You can do all kinds of stuff, but I'm still going to rise.
New episodes in September 2022, produced by me, Adrienne Wood, for The Repair Lab, at The Repair Lab on Twitter, part of the University of Virginia's Democracy Initiative.